this world, so God created get in day. For instance, the day where they go born you, day. The King Solomon, I think.
I get 300 concubines.
No, little side. Why you always talking the bad side of person?
I did not. Okay.
You get 300 concubines. How many you won't get?
Now just they try to preempt you because
No,
you
but
like
I want
to
to
go that topic.
Look, that's how they go. I'm a man of God now. Stop that nonsense.
For the first time, you are not going there.
He say there is a day to be born. Anytime when they go bury, why not that portion that they read? A day to be born.
Yes, of course, a day. A day to die.
And you remind on our way follow.
And a day
for all of you when they there.
Now, that portion say different days. A day to laugh, a day to cry.
A time is a time.
Time.
A time to be born, a time to die.
What is the difference?
A time to be rich,
time and day,
a time to be poor. A time to
now,
go.
for another portion a day.
A time to go, a time to come.
You go no.
A time to what?
Come.
And did you hear that?
Can we move on now? So
now,
what are we saying?
Now, everything gets in day.
So.
The day, even for Bible say, the
of
that nonsense song. The day of the appointed times. You don't hear that before?
The day of the appointed times.
Have you heard of it before?
The day of the appointed time.
Yes.
Or today is the appointed time.
No. The day of the appointed times.
The day is bright.
Now, those armed robbers have met what they call
They have met their Waterloo.
Not in the Waterloo, sir. They don't meet their day. Leave Waterloo. English is a big English for big people.
Now Waterloo.
For these people, they don't need them.
They don't meet Waterloo, these people.
They don't jam.
Now the river.
If now Waterloo they meet, we agree. They for either swim past or fold their trousers. Waka pass out. Waterloo no dey here. If SARS catch you red-handed.
Your water no dey there.
There is no water.
Riverloo. Oh, Bonnie Riverloo. Now you understand.
No, there is no Waterloo. Waterloo is for people who chop thief money. They can't catch them. Like somebody tell me one experience this morning.
Tell me.
After they come, say one boy where they work for bank. I don't call the bank name. We could not run the bank down.
Okay, you try.
Anyway, not with the bank problem, sir. Say for 5 years, this boy, they kind of from Eleme side come SIB yesterday. From Eleme, the bank branch for Eleme.
Okay, the bank.
Okay.
The branch. No, not the Eleme boy. In the work for the branch for Eleme. Now they carry yesterday. So people who know about the bank story, they know it now. I want to talk now. But I don't call the bank.
No color.
Annie, this boy, then they put money for ATM.
Okay, and the loader.
It's a loader.
Thank you.
ATM loader.
Do you know that this boy, what he has been doing for the past 5 years?
He's been loading himself.
In the load in boat. 5 years, not be one, and there is, Monday to Friday, 5 days in a week, times 5 years.
365, 1 year.
No, 365 because
52 weeks.
Okay, for Saturday,
Sunday, and public holiday then day.
Okay.
This boy, then they load the ATM for the bank. Don't go different branches. So, anytime they load ATM, they give them like 200,000 to load for the ATM. You go load. They always take 10%. They carry 10% play. Make nobody think of 10% we're in there.
They go 20.
We're 20 on a daily basis.
Yes.
Except to be MD of NDDC, now they say they make 20,000 naira on a daily basis. If they calculate your salary at the end. How many days?
In 5 years is 1,300.
1,300 and how many days? 5. And 5 days.
Of taking 20,000.
No. Annie.
Now the one way no take.
Why they underrate this boy? ATM, they load up to 2 million for that ATM.
Jesus Christ, then 10% of that 2 million.
They carry and play. They carry 10% play.
Jesus.
This boy has bought 2 lands, build 1, finish.
This loader.
He no be manager of Banco. ATM loader. They tell me this story this morning. As they come. This boy has built 2 houses. They say if you see the picture of the houses when built. I know he built 1, but he get extra land. He never load rich.
To finish that one.
Complain. They like build half and half.
No.
Like some people wait, they will do foundation live in 3 years.
They think of little.
Come do block work. You talk live another 2 years. Go all some money. Some people are like that.
The guy wants to do once.
In the Bible says It's only a foolish man that does not calculate the cost of building a house and embarks on building a house. You know, say, children don't get sense. My daughter, one small thing why they build small, why they struggle to finish. Now, I don't build that thing reach 4 years. And once I hold small money, I go buy 2 bags of cement. I hold small money, I go buy 10 blocks. So my daughter don't day one day, come look me. Because she read Bible well. Say, Daddy, why are you building the house half and half now? Why are you not finishing it? I said, my friend, won't you wait? It's when you have small money, I can't build. He said, did you not read the Bible? My mind caught fear. I said, which Bible? The Bible says a man that wants to build a house should calculate first and be sure of everything he wants. She take out of respect. She tell me say it's a foolish man. She don't use the word foolish man.
She leave her out.
Now look this girl. I say, oh, this guy they go read this Bible for me.
If I tell her say that time now for the children of Israel they talk am.
Now the children of River State.
Not for children of Okobo.
Now, I mean, today we'll never see finish her, but God did.
God did.
Now, as a matter of fact, this guy don't be like us, where they do small.
One time.
In they save, in they think completely. It's not the foolish man. In they save the money. When the money not complete,
Go build at once.
they build at once. Now they can never build the second one.
In the wait.
In get motor. If you see the motor, buy and tear rubber. In there they drive and come work. In the drive and reach one filling station park and take taxi reach work. I say,
can you imagine?
now, how bank take no for 5 years? Now I asked
Exactly.
the man. The guy explained to me and I agree.
Okay.
In total, completely.
Tell us.
In total.
When bank put 1 million for ATM machine, for instance, and he go come draw 20,000. Kule go come draw 10,000. Then go come draw 5,000. Whitecroft, then go come draw 100,000. So the money is being drawn in
different.
some they come draw 1,000.
Yes.
You know, one woman wey start for ATM machine will nearly craze will start for her back under hot sun. She want pay money for something, and that thing now that 2,350 naira. The woman they type am. When that place they say order. When you don't press your PIN number. You press withdrawal. You press current or savings. They will ask you. They will show you plenty money. Then they will put one order. She will go that order. Go press the order. Then the thing will come open. She will come type 2,350. The machine they answer. And we start for back there. No, say that machine they pay. The machine do. Because excuse me, madam. Other people wait there your front. They just take one time. Come on, take one time. Come on. What happen? She said, my brother, the thing is not paying me what I want now. It's what I want. I'm taking my money judiciously. I don't want to
You want 2,350.
now, what did they type there? So somebody come the people because she first of all carry her body, poor people. Carry her body, block the whole machine. Come people there for her back, not go see what she type.
That means I may be the poorest of poor. Because if I go down that
No, you are your size.
and they use Abada self.
You don't even need anything.
No.
So
That
anybody
make I tell you say
where people see your pin, they have said the person they
that
fight
make I
trouble.
tell you say even that makes it that maybe poorest of poor. Because even as size alone supposed block out. I see they find extra.
So for a person like Michael need
Now, some people they collect fractions. Some they collect. So now when the thing don't go down, the machine will go tell you unable to dispense. You know, sometimes insufficient. No, now your own account. Unable to dispense at this moment.
Unable to dispense.
So they will come reboot money. So bank then they fit keep track record of
How much
they then put at that moment and how much people don't withdraw what remain. Bank then they put idea. Because say, money has finished in the ATM, oh it has finished in the machine.
They always look and say the money where they load. Now people they collect.
But the machine, they tell them how much has been disbursed at the end. The machine supposed to tell them.
See, I don't know. The guy said they know they monitor. They know they take time. They take time to monitor that thing. They will just say, oh, money has finished. Okay. Sometimes probably the machine hooks some money because the machine then they pay to the end of the money they put. Because for instance, if machine don't, if now 100 naira remain, 10,000 remain, somebody come collect 4, another person come collect 3. Then the rest people they come, how much don't come? They are 7. which means na 3,000 remain for the machine. The rest 10 people wey dey come, they come to put 10,000, 10,000, they no go pay. So that 3,000 will remain there. The thing will not show you say unable to dispense. So there is no time when the machine they pay to the end as waiting them put.
Now because they monitor the system, well the system if they check up, it will tell you how much it was they have.
Now one new, say joblessness is a problem. One new boy they employ for that LMA branch. You know they do marketing. You know they go anywhere. You know get work. So you just sit down for office. They look the
machine.
No be the machine. They have system, their computer system. Like saying they pursue when you call deposit. You know forget and concentrate on the thing. The guy with the monitor the thing. Come monitor and come look. Say say this thing. That make everything way bad, no bad though.
One day.
Because the guy come monitor and come say, okay, today police search everybody where they go. They can't search out the money. We in as in load that day yesterday. In doing intake for him own normal 10%. They in pocket. Now we police search everybody. They can't catch him, can't carry him. Go sit down. Meanwhile that boy don't monitor, no say this thing they happen. The guy where they say people they thief that kind of money. Because they get patience to thief the money over time. Some people they carry boo at one time. They don't there for that nonsense.
Long suffering.
No, they're not there for long suffering. They're not there for according to the Bible. Long suffering and kindness.
Long suffering. Now that's what they call surulere. Patience get virtue.
Those kind of people. No. This one say they get patience to thief this kind of small money. They know they get patience to talk through. And they talk the whole truth.
And nothing but
the truth. Only one slap, no be better slap, self. It's still normal. They never
blind.
When I they swear. Only one small slap. He talk everything. According to my mama, Akwa Ibom people they do.
He vomit everything.
He talk everything.
Akwa Ibom people always get signed for everything with them.
But they are not the small.
If you hear Akwa Ibom man testimony, and then you go know say they get signed.
Now, carry these guys go show in house,
establishments,
show in land, show it's called play bargain.
Oh
I give you some. Mona leave me. Mona no beat. People don't know if you take beat, you know. Once they see Cain, they talk. They no do what they want to do, what they go do in the best 5 years.
Now my son with that.
They talk the whole thing. So this guy was benevolent. He no give political stress. He talk everything as he did. As many they talk and they SID you. He carry they don't snap the house, everything finished. The guys there for the past 5 years, you know, they do. Say, I beg of Simona, pity me. I think I talk through. The Bible says when you talk to
you set you free. You want set
the
free.
truth to set you free.
No be for Nigeria.
No be for SARS. No be for SARS. Now
because SARS never hold you.
Now this boy is a bank robber. In day don't come. Why I talk this long story? Be say everybody, everything get a day, and your day must surely come. The Bible now talk and say nothing is hidden under the eyes of the sun. Nothing will. So then sometimes you see for Facebook, some people will go dig ground, bury some people, carry do foundation for their house. Still, then they open and come. After they don't do the thing finish. Sometimes they don't reach 2 years, 3 years, their day don't come. And the day where your day go come. See, Annie. Some people say judgment day now when your own reach you. Me, I believe say the final day they want to blow trumpet. For me, I know where they go. I like to live for this earth. People say they want to go heaven. Make them go. I can tell them what I think is in heaven. For angels of God.
Michael, leave that one. Leave that one.
When they send message.
Make we talk our day. Make we talk our day.
Now their day come. Now they come to the day. Angels of God. There are many days that have come. You want to talk everybody.
I won't tell you my own day.
Okay, they come. Don't finish this one. They left. The Bible says they forsook. When the Bible use the word forsook, they say you supposed to forsake it. You forsake it. You forsook it. They forsook the original position. They for sky. They look daughters of men. They swim. And those guys, those days, they too wear clothes like today. Those Noah did them.
This is the way.
They never have bikini. And I start bikini. Because heat the day. You know what I'm saying to say if no chop that fruit by now. All of us for naked, they were up and down.
I'm going to say
And-
chop up.
And if try, oh, I tell you why I try.
Why?
If I first chop the fruit, her eye can't open because she naked. Now she can't tie her own leaf. Adam never chopped the fruit by that time. Adam still they run around with all those useless animals, them naked, they play. If just they won't play, they because they see this mumu useless man. Say, Jay, this man just naked with this animal.
They jump up and
jump
down.
up and down. Because she don't feel chop. Now out of pity from Eve. Now Eve can say, hey mumu, food. Now Adam they call her, food, come here. Adam come on, take chop.
Get more sense.
Get more sense. Because if I give you the full food, you go get sense pass me. Chop small, chop small. Because if you see for that my book of Bible story, now one side where Adam only bite. You don't see apple. This apple product, you don't see their side.
That one bite.
That one bite there for apple product their side. Now where Adam bite come.
Only thing. Only one way chop.
Only
That
this
side.
side don't chop.
I know say that'll be Eve own.
Nah.
Naive chop the
No,
whole.
if not chop the first one, make on a wicked person.
Now I sabi something pass.
So now small sense, oh, now give us now we'll take you to Krakara here.